What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a high fade on curly hair. So we're gonna start off with our Andis T outliner, and we're gonna do the balding at the bottom of the fade, our first guideline. Once we do our first guideline with the T-liner, this fade, this time we're gonna do it a little different. We're gonna start off with our Oster Fast Feed close, like ½ an inch, and we're gonna go halfway in and open. So on this video, we are gonna change the steps a little bit. It's the same thing though, pretty much. I don't know what way is easier for you guys, but hopefully this helps out any of you guys trying to learn. After that, we're gonna throw on our Andis Guard 0 and 1/16. I'm gonna start off with close, halfway, then open. Make sure you flick. At the edge of the lineup, I'm gonna kind of leave it a little dark, just so we can line up and the lineup will pop up. And then I'm gonna grab my one guard, close, halfway, and open. And obviously I'm gonna work my way down as well. So I'm gonna fade up and then I'll fade down, just so I won't miss any lines. Right here I got my 2 guard, close, halfways, and then open. So right here, this method right here is one guard with the grain, just because of my client's hair is really curly. I'm gonna push down some of the hair, lay it down. So this will match the fade from the top hair to the fade. I don't know if that was a little confusing right there, but this is the type of way you gotta fade on top when it's like this type of clients. So as you see right now, I'm just going over my work again, and yes, I'm gonna use my 2 guard close with the grain, and it should fade to the top of the hair. So I do go over my work multiple times, as you can see. I like to have the fade, really faded, looking crispy, detail a lot. And if you're a beginner, do not rush the haircut. Take your time, do step by step. On the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start off with our Oster Fast Feed, no guard, close, halfway, then open, and then we're gonna throw on the 0 guard or the 1/16, close, halfway, then open, and our 1 guard as well, close, halfway, then open, and it should fade it to the top. And then our 2 guard, and then with the grain, so you kind of cut down. So right now I'm gonna try to upload a little bit more tutorials. I should be uploading vlogs as well. I've been slacking, but you know, I gotta get into it. So this little method I'm doing here, I'm getting my no guard close, halfway then open, and 0 guard, then 1 guard as well. As you saw in the little step, I faded it like really quick. I just kind of like used my thumb and started using the lever down from close all the way down to open, if that makes sense, if you see it in the video. And now while the fade is pretty much all done, we're gonna go over the work, just detail more so the fade could look really nice and crispy. Make sure if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share these videos, please. So right now I'm doing the lineup. I start off with the middle and work to the sides. Try to keep it as natural as possible. So some people think cutting this type of hair is really hard, but it really isn't. It's probably the easiest hair you could cut. So in this haircut we are gonna add something new to the video. It's fibers. I never really use fibers, but we're gonna use it on this client for the first time. I usually try to make it as natural as possible, but yes, on this one we will be using fibers. If y'all don't know what fiber is, it just darkens out the lineup. It's pretty much just for a picture or video. It comes off once you shower. Go into the razor, make sure you put in like shaving cream on, you know, so it won't be as rough for the clients. And make sure you stretch the skin. It be gently with the knife, with the blade. So this method right here, I'm just kind of taking it down a little bit on top, just the little hairs flying with some shears, you know, as you can see, just gently, just on top of the little mini fro. Like I told you guys, I will be using fibers on this video, as you can see. Other than that, if you liked the video, like and subscribe. Like I said, y'all can leave any suggestions in the comments. Comment below. I'm still a little nervous on recording and all this, but I'm gonna get used to it little by little. And yep, hope y'all like and enjoy the video. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.